Hello everyone, it is the 4th of February, which means it's my birthday. I currently look like a boiled egg, but we're rolling with it. So I turned 26 today, actually not until 6 PM, and that was in the UK. So I'm not really sure when I'll be 26, but around about sometime today or tomorrow. Yeah, 4th of Feb is my birthday. And we are going kayaking. Well, fingers crossed. It's a beautiful blue skies, but it's windy, very windy. So I don't know if they're going to be open. But I thought just get up, get out, and see where the day takes us. Really. I haven't opened my presents yet. They're somewhere down there. This room is really messy, so excuse that. There's all my presents. I'm so excited. Yeah, that's about all I have to say for now. I can't get over the way I look like a little chicken. Either the egg or the chicken, I'm not really sure. Yeah, so I'll see you when we get back from kayaking. I'm not going to take the camera, obviously, because if I dropped that in that water, God knows what would happen. I'm not going to jump in after it. Nah, and I don't think Joe would either, so that would be ta-ra to the vlogs. So I'm not going to take this one. I'll try and film a few things on one of our old phones that we've got, and if it turns out alright, I'll upload it, but if not, I'll see you when we get back. And just like that, we're back from kayaking, and I look a hell of a lot better. I did my makeup and I've gotten dressed. I'd say it was a success-ish. There was a lot of wind, which was a bit scary, pushing us upstream, but we did it, and I saw a massive jellyfish, and my arms are aching, so overall, quite successful. Sorry, I keep looking up there. Okay guys, I'm struggling to get a decent light. That's better. We're just sitting down to watch Married at First Sight. It's not gonna focus on anything. And we've ordered a Chinese, that's on its way. It's 8:30 now. The Botanic Gardens was nice. So far to drive though, we didn't expect it to be that long. And then there was those annoying kids doing their play or whatever it was they were doing. Just a lot of screaming, to be honest, and it really ruined the atmosphere. But glad we went, glad we saw it. I'd probably go back on a hopefully quieter day. And that's about it really. Just gonna head to bed after our Chinese. In the pyjamas. Waiting for my Chinese. Joe's been lovely today, haven't ya? Like always.
Yeah.
Being the best husband in the world.
Of course. She's not wrong.
Not comfy. Oh. Oh. Now you can get back to your mechanics videos, hey?
Thank you, yeah, exactly.
But yeah, it's been a nice day. Yes, it has. And that's it. My 26th year has officially begun. Let's hope for big things. Yes, big things. Yes, ow, scratchy. And that's the Chinese. Spring rolls are good. That's all I've tried so far. What should I say then? Okay guys, so it's Saturday now, the 5th of February, day after my birthday. I'm kind of sad that my birthday's over, but I'm kind of like, okay, it's over, I can move on now. Focus on other things. As you would have seen yesterday, I didn't do that much. Went kayaking in the morning, then had some pancakes, opened my presents, and we went to the Noosa Botanical Gardens. Definitely going to go back there on a different day when there's not like a amateur dramatics play, if you can call it that, whatever they were doing on. Literally ruined the like vibe of the whole place. You could hear them screaming, shouting, doing whatever they were doing. So it's obviously a very beautiful place and I will go back there one day. And then what else did we do? We got a Chinese in the evening. Not as good as the UK Chinese. I don't know. I guess when you're so used to a certain type of food, and I've always said here that the one thing, obviously apart from my family and friends, that I miss in the UK is the food. Not like food you buy from the supermarket, but like takeaway food, which is probably a good thing, but I really miss it. So yeah, the Chinese was not the best. I'm trying to, you know, evolve, and I'm sure once I've been here a little while longer that I'll just really like the food here. I'll go back to the UK and try it and be like, ugh, what was I thinking? But yeah. Yeah, got Chinese. We've been watching this really good program on Stan called The Tourist. It's about a guy who wakes up in the outback and he's got amnesia, so he's forgotten everything, and then there's this whole storyline, and it's got Jamie Dornan, the one out of 50 Shades of Grey, basically, in it, so that's not bad to watch. And yeah, that's all we did really. Popped in to see my brother for a little bit on the way back from the gardens. Yeah, really chilled one compared to last year when COVID wasn't around and I went to the Gold Coast. It was amazing, but that was for my 25th, so that was a big birthday in my opinion. This year Joe's turning 30, so he's the big birthday this year, definitely. Have to do something really amazing, hopefully. COVID would have died down a bit, but we'll see. And yeah, I'm rambling now, but we're gonna get on and show this coffee machine. I've just got to tidy a few bits up in the kitchen to make room for it. And that's it.
Here's mine. I had green. Let's try it. Taste test.
Do not spit that back in. You sound like the bloody coffee machine.
Not bad.
Not bad?
Not bad at all.
Out of 10. What would you give it out of 10?
Give that an 8. It's good coffee, that.
Surely not.
That's coffee you pay for at a shop.
I'd give mine. It's very tasteless.
No, mine tastes like coffee. It's got a lot of weird aftertaste, man.
I give this one a 5. A 5 out of 10. I knew she was going to interrupt me. Just can't help it, can ya? It's now Monday the 7th of Feb. I think the last thing I filmed was me opening the coffee machine. But I was just about to fill up my little pill pot here. I don't have any regular medication. I just use it for vitamins. So every time it empties, I fill it back up. I just find it helps me take them regularly. So thought I'd show you what vitamins I've been taking because I've got nothing else to show you. I'm staying in today and it's a pretty boring day. So we're going to work with what we've got. The first ones I've been taking is this, which is a bit hilarious because I'm not a busy woman really. But it's these, does that focus? What are they? I think these ones are just multivitamins to help promote vitality and relieve symptoms of stress, which we all need. I'm actually running low on these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. So there's 7 left and they're going to go straight in here. So I'm just going to do that. Mystery, don't eat them. So that's them in there. And then we've got these ones, which is a rosehip complex. And then lastly, I take cod liver oil, which I have to take all the time. This never changes. I always take the cod liver oil. If I stop taking it for a few days, my jaw starts clicking and generally my bones just start clicking. So I have to take this regularly and I take 2 of these a day. So I'll just pop them in. Luckily these fit just about. So that's them all in there. Oh, let me shut the lids. And yeah, I just make my way through them throughout the week. I just find keeping them in this really helps me take them. And it doesn't take up so much room on your like bedside table because these are quite big pots. Yeah, that was my little 5 minutes of interesting content for you guys. Oh, there's my other cat. You don't normally see her. Hello, Gracie. You're not very interested, are you? I hate coming on to vlog without any makeup on. I feel really uncomfortable. But I hate wearing makeup, so if I only vlogged when I wore makeup, there wouldn't be much content at all. So, there we are. But yeah, that's about it. I'm just going to get back to doing nothing. And I'll catch up with you if I do anything interesting. I think I'm going to make a nice dinner tonight, so I'll try and vlog that. Say bye, Gracie. Say bye. And that is tonight's dinner served up. So we've got corn, roast potatoes and yummy chicken. Joe's got his. Let's have a look, Joe. So he's just added some chilli on there. Hello everyone. So I don't know what day it is or when I last spoke to you, but I'm still getting used to this vlogging thing, to be honest. And yeah, I'm not really tracking it well, am I? There's been a few like lifey things that I've had to deal with, so yeah, just trying to keep level-headed really. You would have seen earlier in the vlog that Joe bought me a coffee machine, sitting over there, and alongside that he actually bought me 60 Starbucks capsules. Unfortunately, he did try his best, but they weren't for the right machine. I think this is quite like a new one, and they were the smaller capsules for the old ones. So the machine actually came with 12 of the capsules, but they went very quickly. Obviously we wanted to try it out, so we were having like 2-3 cups of coffees a day to try them out. So there was only 12, they went very quickly. We looked online to buy some new ones, and the only 2 real ways we could see of getting them was on the Nespresso website or going to a Nespresso store. So the store is nowhere near us, I think it's about an hour and a half away, which, yeah, if we're close by, we'll obviously stop in, but I'm not going to drive an hour and a half just to get some coffee pods. And the other way online, I think you have to spend like $100 for them either to deliver to you or something like that. I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up again, but it wasn't working for us at the time. So we did some research and found out that you could actually clean all of these out. So these are literally all empty and clean. You took the foil off, spooned out the coffee and just gave them a rinse. We went online and found these things. Aluminium foil lids. So you get 100 in a pack for around $20. I think they were on like Amazon or eBay. No, Amazon I think. They look like that. And what you can do is fill them up with your coffee of your choice. Stick a lid on. I don't know how this works, I haven't done it yet, but I'm hoping it's going to be good. Stick a lid on, reuse them. So I don't know how many times you can reuse them. I guess they're going to go a bit weird after a while. But until they do, that's our situation. So I'm bigging it up quite a lot and I haven't even tried one. It might go terribly wrong and I've wasted $20. Wasted half an hour of my life cleaning these out and got loads of ground coffee. We're going to try, fingers crossed. I will show you now how it goes. Okay, Joe's had a few sips. I'm going to do a taste test for myself. Definitely too much milk, so that's my fault. But yeah, nice flavour. Delish, actually, so that works really well. Happy with that. We are going to have some lunch and then go up to my brother's because Joe's got to do an oil change on their car. Fun times. It is Valentine's Day tomorrow, we are not celebrating this year. We're not doing cards. We're just not bothering. Every day is a day to celebrate love, right? Joe?
Exactly.
And I think we're just gonna go for like a walk. I got some new walking boots, so I'm excited to try them out. And probably get a takeaway. Just like I'm sure half the world are doing, so probably gonna be waiting about 2 hours for a takeaway, but... Or maybe we could make something at home. I could have something really nice. Steaks. And chips. And peppercorn sauce. But we will see. I'll take you along for the ride anyway. I don't know if I'll film any more today, just because it's going to be pretty boring. Yeah, that's about it. I will update you if anything does happen. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I just wanted to come on here and say, if you're not having a good Valentine's, then don't worry about it. Because me and Joe have just had a massive argument. But we're fine, you know, this happens. Relationships are real, and if you're single and having a miserable day, it's just another day, isn't it?
Just another day.
It's just another day.
It's another day in paradise.
In paradise. We are going out, trying to find a nice little scenic spot. Yeah, like I said, it's a bit rainy. Australia always seems to be rainy nowadays.
Rainy and Mulaney.
Rainy and Mulaney, exactly. Yeah, we just wanted to come for a little walk, like see some nature. We actually got a padlock engraved with our names on it and the date, so after this we're going to go to a place called Point Cartwright and we're going to stick our padlock up there, which is sweet, and we vowed to never argue again. Wow, it's beautiful. Which way do you want to go?
Let's go this way.
Hi, butterfly. Very difficult to find a place to put our lock, but we decided on here. This is Louise and Joe and the date of today. So you would have seen in an earlier clip that I was refilling these with ground coffee and just putting one of the little silver aluminium lids on the top. So these things. But we've upped our game even further. Okay, so Joe ordered this and I didn't even know he did, because he tried to fill one up and he found it so messy. So this is our new little device that we've got. These are the little bits that you get with it. So you've got a tamper to push down the coffee, and you've got basically a little holder for it. And I'll show you what else it does. So this is all the stuff that you would need. Then you would take your coffee, depending on the size of the capsule. Just basically nearly fill it up to the top, I'd say. This little thing makes it so much easier. And then you take the funnel off, get your tamper it down like so. And then you get your aluminium lid line it up as best as your ability will allow you to. I really struggle with this bit for some reason. And then you get this part again, press down quite hard, and it actually seals it for you. And there you have it, a coffee pod ready to go. And I mean, how long did that take? Literally a couple seconds. So I am really impressed. I think this was $39 on Amazon. I mean, not bad when you think about how many of these you're gonna make. And these are expensive, so I think it's really worth it. I'm gonna go ahead and fill all of these now, and I'm gonna see how long it takes me. Okay, there we have it, 10 coffee pods filled up, ready to be used, and that took me less than 10 minutes, so not too bad. Got a little bit of mess to clean up. But that is unfortunately the end of my coffee content. I won't be showing you any more coffee related things. Unless you want to see more, let me know. I'm probably going to end the vlog here. And yeah, I hope everyone's doing well, and I will see you soon.